understand barriers that can hinder communications. And the third one is apply strategies to communicate clearly and professionally. So first, let's talk about the basics of communications. So first is the sender. This is the person sharing the message. The second one is the message, the information being communicated. The third one is the receiver, the person receiving the message. So clear communication ensures everyone understands the intended message, reduces misunderstandings, and improves teamwork. So, ma'am, can you give an example of misunderstanding that happened at work because of unclear communication?
A supervisor told an employee to send the file soon. So the employee thought that it could wait until the end of the day, but the supervisor expected it within an hour, so the delay caused stress and affected the task.
Thank you, ma'am. So, this misunderstanding happened because the instruction was not clear. Words like soon can be understood differently by people. As a trainer, I emphasize the importance of giving clear instructions such as exact time and expectations to avoid confusion and ensure smooth workflow. So the next topic is barriers to effective communication. Sometimes message gets lost due to barriers. So this includes physical barriers, noise, distance, poor tools. The next one is the emotional barriers, stress, frustration, misunderstandings. The third one is cultural or language barriers, because the different backgrounds and communication styles. Being aware of these barriers helps us prevent miscommunication and maintain smooth collaboration. So, the third topic is strategies for effective communication. Here are some strategies to enhance communication. Number one is active listening. So, we must pay attention, ask clarifying questions. The second one is clear and concise messaging. This is to avoid jargon and long explanations. So the third one is positive body language. This is eye contact, gestures, and tone matter. The fourth one is feedback. It is give and receive constructive feedback respectively. So practicing skills creates a healthy and productive work environment. To summarize, effective communication is essential for teamwork and productivity. We always remember to be clear and concise, listen actively and with empathy, be aware of barriers and work to overcome them. Always provide